Hi there, this is Raksha from Calilio, and this video is about understanding default country code in the Calilio Dialer. Making international calls shouldn't be complicated, whether you're reaching out to clients across different countries or managing a global team. This guide explains to you how the default country code feature works in the Calilio Dialer and how it can streamline your international calling experience. The key concept here is that the dialer persists, as in, it remembers your latest dialed country code, so you don't have to reselect it for each call. The dialer pad icon is located at the top left panel. Clicking on which redirects you to this box, which is the dial pad. Here at the top, you can see a flag icon, a country code, for example, +1, +44, +61, etc., and a drop-down arrow. The drop-down arrow allows you to change countries, giving you the option to choose from 100+ countries. The dialer displays a default country code, usually based on your account settings or location. Click the country code drop-down to select the desired country. Then enter a phone number and click on this green button to make your call. After your call ends, the dialer automatically saves the country code you just used. This becomes your new default country code. And the next time you open the dialer, this country code is pre-selected. And that's it for how dialer works with the latest country code and makes it the default for your next call. If you need any further help or have any further questions, you can head on to the support live chat, which is available 24/7. Thanks for watching.